patience is a virtue. One day he was waiting at the bottom station when Gordon arrived. "I've been invited to Wales," Sir Handel told him importantly, "but I can't be spared until Duke is mended." "Quite right," said Gordon. "It's a great responsibility being indispensable." "Gordon says I'm, insensible," Sir Handel boasted to the others. They were amused, but not impressed. One day, Sir Handel's train was fuller than ever. When he reached the top station, he was exhausted. "An insensible engine like me shouldn't keep Henry waiting," he fumed. "Can't be helped," said his driver. "Henry will just have to wait. He's kept us at it before now." "I'm sorry I was impatient," said Sir Handel nervously. "I didn't want to be late. Insensible engines shouldn't be late, should they?" "No," agreed his driver, "but sensible engines know that patience is a virtue. Remember that next time." "I'll try," promised Sir Handel sadly.